Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video today. We are at the beginning of the March. The first March is here and I want to give you a short update. So how to go through the month, because often we're talking about those energy updates and I want to give you some informations how to use the present energies. Tomorrow we'll have the new moon, and the new moon is always that beginning or the entering into a new cycle between the new moon and the full moon. And because the March is coming under the number 3 is bringing us the vibration of confidence, the vibration of self-reliance, where we actually find out that the most important day is today, and the most important person in your life is yourself. And we actually become aware that our life is our responsibility. And if our life is our responsibility, it means that whatever is happening within our lives, we are responsible for that, right? So it means that if you want to see more beauty, you just need to expand your awareness to see more beauty. If you want to experience more abundance, you just need to expand your knowledge to understand how to make more abundance, how to get into that vibrational state of abundance, how to step out of lack and feel whole, feel wholeness, how to get into that state of wholeness, right? It's all our responsibility. And it is reminding us that every single moment we can decide to truly become aware of who we are in this moment and what will we decide to do or to change or to quit or to move. Because often we know what we want, right? Often we know what we want, and I like to say to you to truly become clear on what is your future version of yourself. What is that future version of yourself? And then ask yourself, who would you be if there would be no fear present within you right now? Who would you be? And what could be that greatest expression of yourself without any judgment, without any comparison, without any fear or any anger within you? Because the thing is that if our life is our responsibility, then that inner healing is as well our responsibility. When we will decide to truly go through that process of healing and letting go of what is not serving us anymore. So if number 3 is bringing us that vibration of self-reliance and confidence, it's truly important to become aware of that part of yourself. Because often we are getting lost in that fearful state or the state of comparison. We are comparing ourselves with others, right? Who is better, who have more things that we have, and all of that. We are losing ourselves in that. And I just want to shortly remind you that rather than comparing yourself with others, ask yourself, what can you learn from others? Rather than staying in that fearful state, ask yourself how brave you are or you've been that you've came to where you are right now. It required a lot of bravery that you're standing where you are right now. And it's a great moment to appreciate your bravery and appreciate yourself for being where you are right now. Maybe you're moving through hard times, through challenges. And as wind is making trees grow deeper roots, it is making you stronger as well and more grounded. And maybe you're just going through experiences which are bringing you the greatest possible knowledge you will ever be able to receive. And maybe right now you can't see it yet, but remember, in the future, one day in the future, you will say, oh, I'm so grateful that I went through. So the March that we are moving through right now, as a lot of things are happening on the world, the great cleansing is happening, things are coming out, and we see like a lot of darkness is coming out. A lot of hard things have been shown to all of us. And the purpose of all of that is to truly become aware how we are responding to what we are seeing, how we are reacting to it. And again, we are getting back to that awareness of our state of being, of our emotional reaction towards what is happening. Because if everything is our responsibility, we truly can't control what is happening, but we can control our approach and our reaction, right? And when it comes to that vibrational ascension, we can only ascend, we can only fully awaken if we decide to let go of the fear and connect back to love, connect back to inspiration, connect back to that greater dream of the future, the one that we would love to experience. And more we are expanding our awareness, more we are actually becoming aware that our life is not just about us, it's about people we touch, right? So we start seeing in our dreams for the future people around us experiencing happiness, experiencing inner peace, the great balance, right? So the times we are entering in is truly about self-empowerment, self-leadership. It's truly about who we choose to become, rather than how our environment is affecting on us as being victims of it. It's about self-empowerment, self-leadership. And when it comes to leadership, it's truly important to find that great balance between the knowledge, which is kind of guiding us through life, the analytical, intellectual information, and that intuitive feeling. So we find that great coherence between intellectual knowledge and intuitive feeling, and we balance it. Like, you know, there's a quote from Bruce Lee who said that everything in life is about balance. If our thoughts are not balanced with actions, we'll be just talking about what we'll do, but we'll never move a thing. So it's important to find that great balance between what we are talking about, what we know that we need to do or we should do, and what we are actually doing. A great leader is always in tune with him or her true self. So if we are led just by that intellectual knowledge, we soon start forcing things because we want to achieve wanting results. But as soon as we start forcing things, we create that vibration, the opposite vibration of attraction, which creates a great tension, right? A great pressure. So like, it means that at the same time that we are attracting something, we are pushing it away. That's why it's so important to gain that intuitive awareness as well, to create that great balance between what we know and what we think we need to do, and the intuitive feeling of what we truly need to do at this moment, what could be our next step. And that's why we love to meditate, to expand our internal awareness of how we feel at this moment, what our body is telling to us, where we are in that emotional state, what is still holding us to our past, and what is our greatest dream of the future that we would love to experience. Because remember, life is nothing but a dream. But as soon as we give meaning to everything, we start identifying ourselves with our own explanation of life. Our own explanation, and it can be truly limited. When our idea about life is limited, our life is limited. And when our life is limited, we stay in that vibration of lack because we think we are not worthy enough to experience more. So my friends, expand your awareness in that area. What is blocking you? What is holding you back? What is kinda avoiding you from experiencing that greater state of wholeness? Because you are meant to be in that state. Truly, you are meant to be in that state. So remember that the most important person in your life is yourself. So get yourself back into this moment and become aware that you can do it. Whatever it is, you can do it. There's a capacity of a healer within you, a capacity of a mystic, a capacity of a great leader, a brave leader, a lion, whoever. There's a capacity of an alchemist within you, right? Connect back to it and be lifted by that greater dream, because March in front of you is the most beautiful month that is coming. Embrace all the empowerment that is already present and see what can you do to heal the wounds which are reminding you that there's certain pain present, that there's still certain fear present, that there's still something present which is kinda lowering you down, and let go of it. Usually as soon as we become aware of our fears, they will decrease its power, its control of us. As soon as we become aware of our wounds, they will partially heal. A part of them will be healed. More often we become aware of them and we express some love for ourselves. We start loving ourselves more and we choose healthier actions, healthier decisions, healthier food, healthier thoughts. We start healing ourselves. So dedicate this month for your healing and for more empowering thoughts and actions. You will see major changes will start happening. So this is it for today, my friends. I'm wishing you a beautiful month. Have a beautiful day and set some beautiful intentions for tomorrow's new moon. And if you would love to find more about tomorrow's new moon, you can go and check out my previous video about that new moon. And if you would love to learn to paint with me, go and check out my other YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. Also express some love in the comments below to raise some energy. And my friends, see you in the next video. Till next time, I'm sending you all love, blessings and lots of power. Have a truly magical day and see you soon. One love.